Rome has stepped into the future without losing its millennia-old past. In the year 2222, history is not just preserved, it's being revived. Ancient structures resist the wear of time through AI-powered preservation systems. Digital archaeology restores lost details of the past. At key locations throughout the city, holographic reenactments allow visitors to experience the glory days of the Roman Empire. Rome is no longer just a city of history. It's a time capsule where past and future coexist. Deep beneath Rome, lost history is being rediscovered through digital archaeology. AI-powered excavation systems analyze even the smallest fragments to uncover the hidden aspects of the Roman Empire. Archaeological sites are completed with holographic reconstructions, offering visitors the chance to experience the past firsthand. The stories of ancient Rome are no longer confined to written records. They come to life before your eyes. In 2222, Rome provides energy for the future without harming its historical legacy. The city has become a self-sustaining ecosystem through renewable energy and sustainable systems. Transparent solar panels generate power without disrupting the silhouette of historic buildings, while underground micro-energy grids power streets and structures. AI-supported air and water purification systems elevate the city's quality of life. Rome now not only preserves the past, but also leads the way into the future. In 2222, Rome is a city where nature is preserved alongside history. Smart air and water management systems integrate ancient aqueducts and historic fountains with modern technology. AI-powered nanofilters keep water sources clean and sustainable, while invisible air filtration stations ensure the air remains fresh and pure. Rome now safeguards both human history and the natural world for future generations. Transportation in Rome has been redesigned for 2222 without damaging its historical fabric. Autonomous transport systems move silently across classical Roman roads, while AI-powered navigation eliminates traffic. Ancient streets are now reserved for pedestrians, and vehicles travel only on transparent magnetic tracks. Air-assisted micro-transport units enable fast and efficient mobility, even through narrow Roman alleys. In future Rome, technology respects history. Rome in 2222 preserves not only its physical structures, but also its cultural heritage in digital form. Ancient frescoes are restored to their original colors through AI analysis. Works of art are protected for centuries with nanotechnological layers. Digital art galleries bring together classical and modern artists through holographic projections. Rome has become an open-air museum that unites the art of the past and the future. In 2222, Rome protects not just its history, but human life itself. AI-supported health systems detect and prevent diseases before they even emerge. Historic Roman baths have been transformed into biotechnological wellness centers, merging natural healing methods with AI-powered medicine. With genetic engineering and regenerative treatments, aging in Rome is now a reversible process. In the Rome of the future, health and technology go hand in hand. Rome's culinary culture has evolved in 2222 through AI-enhanced rediscovery of traditional recipes. Artificial intelligence analyzes ancient Roman cookbooks and combines them with modern nutritional science. AI chefs create personalized dishes, while sustainable agriculture provides fresh ingredients. Roman cuisine is now more than just a taste experience. It's a fusion of past and future, a true art form. In 2222, Rome blends tradition and innovation in fashion. AI-powered design studios create custom clothing inspired by ancient Roman garments. Smart fabrics adapt to environmental conditions and the wearer's mood, while sustainable biotech textile production promotes harmony with nature. Rome weaves together classic elegance and cutting-edge technology in a single thread. By 2222, Rome is not just a historic city. It is an academic hub, preserving and projecting human knowledge into the future. The thoughts of ancient philosophers are analyzed by AI and adapted to modern contexts. AI-driven interactive learning centers encourage students to bridge the wisdom of the past with the innovations of the future. Digital holographic libraries provide access to millennia-old texts without damaging their original form. Rome is now a living treasury of knowledge. Art and culture in 2222. Rome reached new dimensions. Ancient theaters come alive again with AI-driven interactive stage technologies. Digital effects and holographic performances elevate classical plays to futuristic experiences. Artists collaborate with AI creative systems to forge new artistic movements. Rome is no longer just a center of historic art. It is the birthplace of future performance arts. In 2222, Rome has evolved into a futuristic metropolis without erasing the footprints of the past. AI-powered governance has transformed the city into a sustainable, livable megacity. Historic buildings are preserved through intelligent restoration, while digital infrastructure is seamlessly integrated into the urban fabric. Rome stands as one of humanity's greatest legacies, a city beyond time where history is not only preserved, but lived and carried forward. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to explore more of the future in 2222. Turn on notifications to be one of the lucky people to see all of this first. Which scene of Rome 2222 impressed you the most? Share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.